I'm getting mic'd up. This is me and Con. He's my walking buddy. I'm gonna talk to you if I was your boyfriend. Yep. You know, maybe Miss Favreau was right, because my feet are killing me. Can you believe it's June and it's
4.
54? No. Oh, I got 59. Everyone say cheese. Cheese. Are you a slow walker or a fast walker? You're fast? Okay, good. I'm a fast walker too. I can't feel my pinky toe though. Oh, so good thing my dad's calling me right now. Hey, Dad. Yeah, we're walking out now. You're in the golf cart? You drove the golf cart? Okay, well, you know what? Do your thing, Dad. Bye.
It's just a little sprinkle.
It's good for the soul. Hey, Moose. Digging the hat. Can't wait to see my 27 family members. They all look so funny on their clothes.
The importance of the
Mr. Romero, I'm so happy you have my good side. They're getting up to sing Goose. Yeah, I can't see anything. Wait, I just had deja vu. My girl. Mr. Romero, I'm nervous now.
Dylan Shinkovich.
If I fall, can we cut that out? Nope. You're just walking. You're just taking a little walk.
Smith.
A little stroll. I'm all delirious.
You're delirious?
Well, like giggly.
Alexandra
No.
Aline Taylor. Avery Thienel.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Very proud of you.
Oh, your mic up.
Where am I going? Am I good?